May katotohanan kaya ang bali-balita na di umano ay nalulugi na ang ilang branches ng parisan nitong si Diwata. Ayon daw sa isang panayam, si Diwata ay napahagulgol na lamang matapos sabihin na ang kaniyang mga branches ng parisan ay nalulugi na. Ang nakakalungkot pa dito, pinagbabayad di umano si Diwata ng 300,000. Ito'y para sa mga upa sa nasabi nga pong utang nito ni Deo Balbuena o mas kilalang Diwata dahil sa kanyang mga naluging parisan. Sa naging panayam, sinabi nga ni Diwata na wala raw siyang kinita sa mga parisan na ito at pinagbabayad pa rin daw siya ng daan-daang libong piso dahil sa mga hindi niya nabayarang upa at mga kagamitan. Nagkaroon naman ng iba't ibang reaksyon dito ang mga netizen. Anila, in any field, whether in business, entertainment, or sports, the mark of true greatness is not in how high you rise, but in how humble you remain, because respect is earned not by wealth or status, but by the way you treat people. Patuloy pa ng nasabing netizen na ito, it's sad to see how success sometimes changes people. Some start to look down on others, acting proud and approachable, even ignoring greetings, snubbing pictures, or treating birthdays like stage to show off. But the truth is, everything in life is temporary. Fame, money, and recognition will eventually pass. That's why humility is so important. No matter how far we've come, we should never forget where we started, even if it was under a bridge or in the most difficult circumstances. Success should make us kinder, not prouder. And when it comes to death, no one has the right to belittle others. Almost everyone at some point has needed by help or borrowed something. It doesn't make a person less worthy. It just makes them human. In any field, whether in business, entertainment, or sports, the mark of true greatness is not in how high you rise, but in how humble you remain, because respect is earned not by wealth or status, but by the way you treat people. Narito pa ang naging komento ng netizen mula kay Fina Ann, this is not to spread hate, but to state facts. Sobrang blessed mo na, ang daming binigay na blessing sa'yo at alam mo yan, kasama na syempre yung hard work mo. 2. Umakyat sa ulo mo yung fame. Nung sumikat ka at parisan mo, sumama ang ugali mo. Naging salbahe ka sa mga taong natuwa sa'yo, ignoring them tapos yung iba pinagtatabuyan mo pa. 3. Ayaw mong ginugulo ka ng tao habang naghahanap buhay ka. Ayan, di ka na ginugulo ng mga tao kaso di ka na rin tinatangkilik tulad ng dati. 4. People don't like you anymore. People once loved and followed you. Alam mo lahat ng ginawa mo sa supporters mo at ngayon alam mo nang di mo maibabalik yun, natauhan na sila. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.